In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to V2 ATK in King Legacy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you must be level 3000. Afterwards, you must talk to this NPC in Dead Tundra. So go to the Dead Tundra and start the quest by talking to this NPC that you can see as soon as you load in. So he is going to task you with killing the Flamingo in the island of Fjord. So kill the Flamingo, and as long as you kill him while attacking with the authentic triple katana, you will be able to get the reverse orb. You must kill him with the M1 of the katana, so don't use abilities, just click to finish him off, and if the last attack that kills him is the M1, you will get the orb. So after you acquire the diverse sphere, if you talk to the NPC in the Dead Tundra again, he is going to tell you that you need to light a specific fire. This fire is found inside of the Colosseum, as you can see here. So go to the Colosseum and interact with this pillar. You will be able to light the fire. Now you need to light 2 more. For the next one, go over to the Loaf Island and talk to the NPC in the cafe. He is going to give you the task of killing the dragon boss. Once again, you need to finish the dragon boss with an attack from the authentic triple katana V1, and if you are able to do this, you will get another diverse sphere. Now for this one, you will need to light the fireplace beside a brown roofed house next to an arch bridge on the island of the Fjord. So once you light the second fire, lastly go to Shred Endangering and talk to the NPC hidden inside of this gray pillar. You can go through at the back of the spawn, just walk into the wall and you will clip through. Now he is going to task you with summoning the Lucidus boss and killing him with the M1 of the katana once again, and this time he is going to drop the last item that you need. For the last fireplace, go over to the top of a building near the Devastate quest giver, and as long as you light that fire, head to the arch bridge near it, and you will find the NPC on this specific house, as you can see here. This NPC Walter will then give you the V2 of the ATK as long as you are able to pay him 30 million, 100 tail, and 3 Sea King fins. I hope I was able to help you on how to V2 ATK in King Legacy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.